Ever since the day that you went away, you went away.
Olá!
You think you own whatever.
That's right. You're right. Relax. This is part of the dominance. You see, if I back away right now, he wins. He's just warning, that's all. This is nothing. That's nothing. The more you do stuff like that, is the better to get rid of the behavior. That's better. It's gonna go away. It doesn't stay too long. In their natural world, another dog will come, put him in the ground, and make him surrender until he give up. Well, because human has never done something like this to him, he never surrendered to human. What human finished doing is human finished being fearful of him. Do you see it? Or giving him affection, or giving him a cookie, or giving him a toy so he can calm down, which that's not going to erase that problem.
Right.
Do ba 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 do boo do.
What? What? Is your food bowl empty?
Ooh, look at you looking all muscular and full of life. Oh, I got a live one on my hands, but boy, I done killed 9 rats and I still got 9 lives. I ain't met a dog yet that can kill me. What's it? Oh, you mad now? Oh, you want to work? Hold up now. Okay, yeah. Oh, you better take them home. I know you used to watch Sabrina the Teenage Witch. They were never scared of her. They were scared of me, bitch.
You're not Daisy or nine, bro. You're not.
Now, Princess, I don't know what's going on down at your daddy's house, but it seems like every time you go down there, you end up missing a shoe, your jacket left behind, you'll never come back with your stuff, and now you done came home and your whole foot broke. I'm talking about a boot on your foot and a wheelchair. Don't nobody know what happened to you, huh? Keisha and them little animalistic kids, they don't know how to act, they rough. And then your daddy Bernard don't know what he gonna pay for this copay. Oh, I'm gonna tell you that right now, he gonna pay for all these bills right here. Cause who's supposed to take care of you? Huh? Now you down for 6 weeks, your foot broke, and don't nobody know what happened to you. Don't worry about it. I'm finna swing right on by there and see what happened to my baby. Turn your head.
What is going on here? Oh my god. There is so many. Hi. What are you guys doing? Hello. Look at you. Hi.
Buddy, how you going? What you doing? Huh? Oh, hi. Come on a ride. Hi. Hey. What are you doing on the road? Hello. 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 What are you doing on the road? Hello. Hello. Are you someone's pet? I don't want to touch him just in case he bites me. Hello? Did you say hello?
Yeah.
Did you say hello? Hello? I think someone owns him.
Yeah.
Don't leave it. You're going to hurt him. Let him go on the scooter. Hi. What are you doing? Let him go on the scooter. Hello. Hello. Hi. You want to come on my arm? Come on. Come on.
I think it's a good idea.
Hi.
He wants to bite you.
Hi. What are you doing? Come on. Come on. Come on. Ah, you got my phone. Leave it. Let him have a look.
He's trying to eat it.
What are you doing? You need to get off the road, Aria.
I know.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Hi. Aria. Aria, give me a scooter. Hi, let's go off the road. What are you doing? How are you going? Yeah, you're a good boy. Hey? Where did you come from? Hey? Aren't you beautiful? Yeah, hi. You say hello? Hello? Yeah. Yeah, hi. Hello. Yeah.
Did he just come say hello?
He was on the thing and I went and said hello and then he flew down and then I picked him up.
Maybe he's someone's pet.
I think so. He said hello.
Yeah, he's got loose.
Yeah.
Facebook lost bird.
I know, but what am I supposed to do with him?
So if I don't get some attention soon,
I'll knock over your cup of tea. I'll bite the leaves off of this tree. I'll meow for all eternity, just like a folkloric banshee. I'll give you till the count of 3. I'll go on a couch scratching spree. My claws are like a machete. I hope you bought the warranty. I need attention, look at me. Don't you ignore my whiny plea. I won't bury my poop or pee. My patience is dissolving sea. So pet me, wait, no, I don't want you to.
Run inside. On 3. 1, 2, hike!
Trying to play ball. Oh, play ball all the damn time. I ain't never, boy. I ain't never. Shawty wanna play ball. Look at Shawty. Shawty wanna play ball. Oh. Shawty wanna play ball. Hell no. That boy air chipmunk. That boy air squirrel. That boy air squirrel. Hey man, we in the A with it, boy. The real A. Boy, we real ball players. Everybody got that celebrity, even squirrel.
I'm taking it next semester, and I know why. Why, man? Yeah, cause I got high. Because I got high. Because I got high. Go to the next one. Go to the next one. Go to the next one.
All by myself anymore. What?
What do you want a knife for?
No, a nut.
A nut for what?
For a crackhead.
Show me what a crackhead is. That's called a butt cracker. It's not a crackhead.
Emo girl.
I fell in love with an emo girl. All I want is an emo girl. I fell in love with an emo girl.
Girl, don't do it. It's not worth it. I'm not gonna do it, girl. I was just thinking about it. I'm not gonna do it. I did it.
Look at this. Momo just jumped in my freaking fish.